Yeah. Type T. Yeah. Tuskegee. Yeah. Tuskegee. Let's go. Look, Tuskegee. For real, I give you all of me. But we probably gon' need your help, cause you know ain't no team. This is real, no make believe. It's time to rebuild this dream. We gotta take the city back and give it to my kings and queens. We tired of asking, we doing it now. Shout out to everyone holding us down. If you don't like it, it don't come around. Stop at a hating, boy, don't make a sound. Keep sleeping on us when we running the town. Your ruling is over, now give us the crown. I gotta know why you riding and out, no more going in circles, no riding around. Yeah, and just like Jeezy, we put on for our city. And if you trying to go against us, then we show you no pity. We don't care how long it takes, ain't no stopping us really. And if you think we slowing down, then you gotta be silly. Let's go. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 with you I always will.
Alright, what's up y'all? My name is Kennedy and I'm the interior designer for Rebuild, and we're walking around this house right now. Follow me. So we're going into the kitchen. The kitchen is very, very outdated, but the cabinets are in pretty good condition. We can pretty much sand those down if they want to and repaint them white just to bring it up to date. We're going to have to redo the countertops because they need to be replaced. This sink is really awesome. It's big, it's huge, I love it, so that's definitely going to stay. This used to be the stove over here, but we're going to replace that with the whole unit. And we're guessing this used to be like a double oven, really old school, but we're going to bring this baby up to life. Let's go to the half bath. Alright, so this is the half bathroom. It's very outdated again, so we're going to put a vanity in here, create some storage down here, put in a nicer mirror and some updated light fixtures. I think the toilet is in pretty good condition. Other than that, do something different with these floors and the walls. Right? And let's see, the final bathroom, the whole bathroom. So in here, I'm thinking double vanity, just to increase the value of the house. Is going to be rented out to college students, and they will be pretty much sharing this main bathroom. So double vanities. We want to put in like a single huge mirror right here and update the light fixture. Do something updated with this. I do like it, but it just needs to be like a different color. We're going to fix it. And for this bathtub shower combo, I'm thinking rip all of this out and just have a standalone shower, because the students, like I said, they'll be sharing this space, so I feel like a shower is a little bit more sanitary and share friendly. So that's what we're going to be doing with that. And the toilet situation and all this, is just going to take this existing tile off the wall and redo the walls and paint that all a nice updated color. So that's about it for this property. Now see y'all next time.
It's time to